Alright, we've got a number of holes that we put in this train. We have 3 holes off the front, 1 on the top, 2 on the side, and a semicircle through the back. Let's go ahead and start with the holes in the front first. We have 2 holes that are, actually 3 holes that are identical. They are .125 or 1/8 of an inch diameter, and they are 1/8 of an inch deep. Let's take a look at where these are going to belong. We've got a distance of .375 from the edge here, and they're stacked dimensions, so we know the next one is 1 inch, so it's centered. The next one is 1.625, and that would leave us the same gap of 375 for the outside. Let's go ahead and start this up. Take a look at it in center. Create a sketch on the front view. Turn to the front. Let's put some holes on there. Now, first thing we can do is make them all equal, using the equal constraint. Then we can give them all dimension. Each one of these is a diameter of .125. For some reason that one didn't go as well. We'll just share its dimension that way. Now they'll always will be the same, tied together. Alright, now let's look at some distances here. We want to dimension the distance from this side to there at .375. The distance from this one to there is equal, so I'm going to click on it as well, or type it in. So this one becomes that. The distance from this guy to the side is 1. Alright, now I have to work on their heights. Dimension from here to the bottom. Don't know what that is. Let's take a look. The distance of .125 right there. Distance from here to the bottom. We choose the initial dimension right there, copies it, put that in place. So now these two are equally spaced apart, and the correct distance from the bottom. Let's work with this guy. He is .625 from the bottom. Alright, those holes are in the correct spot. Go to our home view, finish that sketch. Let's extrude each one of those. Oops. Let's try that again. Zoom in a little more. 1, 2, 3. Change direction, becomes a cut. And the distance is .125. Remember, cut, change direction, .125. There they are. Alright, next one. Oops, cancel that. We need to put a sketch on the side of the car. Let's go to the view. Come back here, we've got 2 holes. They are 1/4 inch 20 unified national coarse threads through times 2. That means there's 2 holes. They go through the part, 1/4 inch diameter, 20 threads per inch. It's a 1/4 inch diameter all the way through. Their distances, they are 4.5 from the back and 1 inch from the back, and 0.5 from the bottom. So let's give that a try here. 1, 2. They are equally sized with an equal constraint. They are dimensioned at .25. They both change size. The distance from this guy to the back edge, 4.5. And from here to the edge, I think is 1, but I'm going to double check. Yep. And the height of both of them off the bottom is 0.5. Finish sketch. Extrude 1, 2. Let's go in the home view to see which way they're going. Other direction. Cut. Distance. All. So it goes all the way through the part. You can see the holes coming out the back side. They're okay. Last one from the right side, a semicircle right here. Place my sketch again on the side of the train. This is a radius of a 1/2 inch, and it looks like it's offset in 0.25 inches, as well as being 1.75 from the bottom. So, draw a circle anywhere on there. I remember the distance from there to the bottom was 1.75. I've got to check on the rest. Distance from the side is 1/4 inch and a radius of 0.5. From the center point to there, that's your 0.25. Your radius is 0.5 for a diameter of 1. Once that's done, we can trim off that portion of the circle, finish sketch, extrude that portion, check out the home view, make it a cut, other direction, all. Hit OK, and let's go ahead and save that. We already have the hole in the back ready to go.